Hello guys, my name is Phantom Hunter G and I'm here to unbox the iPhone 17 Pro. To start off with, I'm going to tell you a little bit of information on this. So I'm going to go to the website here and go with what Apple has provided. So this particular model is the 512 GB. This is the Cosmic Orange. It comes in three colors. It comes in silver, Cosmic Orange, which is what this is, and Deep Blue. My favorite color is this orange one. It looks really nice. It's like, I don't know, it's really pleasing. So this particular model here comes with a 6.3 inch Super Retina display. It can do ProMotion technology. It's always on display and has a dynamic island. So the body of it is a aluminum unibody. It comes with an action button that comes with camera control for faster access to photos. You can set that button, and for video tools as well. It comes with the A19 Pro chip, which is a 6-core GPU, and it's really good for ray tracing. So your images are going to look really nice, and it has the most battery hours in terms of video playback specifically compared to the iPhone Air or like the just regular iPhone 17. It also has a 18 megapixel center stage front camera, and the rear camera you can get up to a 48 megapixel. They're super high resolution, so they're really good cameras, which can go up to, you can expect to get like 4K and at 120 frames per second, which is really nice. The optical zoom, they're kind of like what you've already seen before. 5.5 times zoom, 1 time, 2 times, 4 times, and 8. And these also come with USB-C, and what's in the box is the phone and a USB-C cable. Apple's reason for not including things like a charger are because they want to be carbon neutral by the year 2030. So with that being said, let's go ahead and rip this open here. There we go. This is the best part, opening it. Go. And go. There it is in all its cosmic orange glory. All right. So we've got a very nice looking camera. It's very sleek. It looks really nice to the touch. You can feel the metal here. The metal is a little cooler than my hand, so I can definitely feel that. And it's not very heavy. You can see here's the shutter button. Here's the camera control button. It's the power button, and these are the buttons where you expect them to be. So unlike previous models, there is no mechanism here. And as we were talking about earlier, here is the USB-C port, just like I mentioned. It's got the double speakers here. I bet that's going to sound really nice. We got the cameras here. We got the light here. We got these separated areas here. I'm assuming the antenna's on top, but I'm not exactly sure where it is on this iPhone. But here we go. We're peeling the front. We got the little island here that they were talking about. I'm not sure if that's going to come out in the camera, but I mean in the video, but you can kind of barely see. There we go. You can see a little better now. There's a little island there. The islands for the camera. Let's go ahead and start this up. There we go. We've got the little Apple logo. And I expect to see nothing but a brilliant display. Let's just give this a little moment. So while that's booting up, we see the little cable here. And like I said, there's not much to be expected in this pack here, except, like the little pack talking probably about warnings. We can go into that later. So no longer need a physical SIM card. Oh, okay. So this does support eSIMs. And here's the nice cable, actually. This is a double USB-C here. Double USB-C there. Good cable. Should be a good cable. No iPhone logo, no Apple logo. No Apple logo. So there's nothing here distinguishing this from any other cable that you might have laying around in the house. Let's go ahead and focus here. There we go. Nothing to distinguish that, but hello. So we got an introduction here of saying the phone saying hello in a few different languages and ciao. So let's go ahead and swipe this up. Let's go ahead and go with English, and you go into just go ahead and go into that and just turn it off. Turn it off and then turn it back on. That looks really nice. That actually looks really nice. I'm guessing this is saying to swipe up in different languages. I think that was simplified Chinese. Here's Japanese. This is Spanish here. Yeah, it's exactly telling you.